All right, we just finished removing the worn out fuel hoses. You can tell that they were using regular fuel hose. Since this vehicle is fuel injected, you're supposed to use high pressure fuel hose. So it's size 3/8 all around. We want to install these upgraded performance fuel filter. But pretty much this is it. So we're gonna go ahead and see what else we can do. So far this is where we are. And on the fuel tank side, here's the, let me see if I can get a better look. There's a hard line that goes to the bottom of the fuel cell right there. So we're gonna see what we can do to make this better. But pretty much this is all the worn out parts. So okay, so to be continued. We'll replace these hoses with new hoses, high pressure fuel hoses, and we don't have to worry about having these crazy cracks all over it. So, all right, thanks for watching.